Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to be discussing about TRSS, knowing the flow of the trend and knowing when the trend is about to reverse. Alright, so stay tuned to this video is over and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join the family. Okay, your goal in TRSS is simple: identifying when the current trend is losing strength and position yourself early in the new directions with strong structure confirmation. This is how traders catch the big move early. I'll be teaching you step-by-step guide on how you can trade the TRSS profitably. So first of all, we'll be going on understanding the market structures. So first of all, before you start trading, you need to understand the market structures. And in TRSS, the market structures are being given to be bullish trend high and bullish trend low. These are uptrend market, bullish trend highs and bullish trend low. This is how you can discover an uptrend market. So this, we are not talking about some swings that are like this. When trending up, you notice price going this way. We're not talking about those. We're talking about the main highs and the main swing lows. The main swing highs and the main swing lows. So whenever price comes to your swing low, that's where you're always looking for a buying opportunity. Whenever price comes to your swing low, this is where you're always looking for a buying opportunity. Same thing goes to your bearish trend low and bearish trend high. This is your bearish trend low, this is your bearish trend high, this is your bearish trend low. So if you're looking for a selling opportunity, what you look for is your key zone, your point of interest is always at your bearish key high. This is where the sellers are always active to push price downward. So always you are selling at your trend highs and you're buying at your trend low. So this is a brief market structures of TRSS and how you can identify it. Step 2, spotting the reversal signals. This is the heart of TRSS, and markets cannot reverse if structures is not broken. So if you're having a bullish structure, let's say on a bullish structures, price is printing a major highs, a major lows, your trend lows, and then your trend highs. I noticed price went all the way, smashing out your trend low. This is now called what? A change of directions. This is called a reversal signal, telling you that price is changing directions. I noticed price did what? Went all the way to these highs, created a trend high. This is now a bearish trend high because this high is no longer higher than this. This is now called a bearish trend high. Price approached all the way to this low, smashing out this low, giving us a new bearish trend low. So where will your entry now be? Since you have discovered this kind of move, telling you that early signs price is changing directions, what you have to do is to mark out these particular zones, wait for price to tap into these particular zones, and then you take your selling opportunity back to this low. So you have to be very patient. Take your entry here. The structures, you have to confirm it from your 4 hours time frame. The time frame you confirm it from is your 4 hours time frame or your daily time frame to spot out your main structures, your main trend structures. Then you can go down once price is at your key zones on your 4 hours time frame. You go down to your lower time frame on the 15 minutes time frame or on the 30 minutes time frame. Look for your structure shift telling you that price is heading down. Then you just follow the price back to these particular zones. Same thing goes to the buyers. If price is printing a down trend move, giving you a bearish low, trend low, a bearish trend highs, a bearish trend low, a bearish trend high, a bearish trend low, and you notice price eventually turns and take out this recent bearish trend high. What is it telling you? This is called a reversal. All you have to do is to wait for price to print you a bearish trend low, and then taking out this, giving you a continuation of the words of the buyers. What you have to do is to mark out this low because this is now your bullish trend low, waiting for price to come into your bullish trend low, and you do what? You execute your buying opportunity. Remember, once price comes to your key zones, what will you do? You drop down to your lower time frame to take your entry. So this is how you can spot the reversal signal early. Step 4, protect your capital with invalidation logic. So TRSS is not a guesswork strategy. So you don't guess with TRSS, you follow the trend, you follow what the structures is telling you. If price doesn't break your trend high or your trend low, no trades. If your POI is not validated, step aside. Your SL got hit is because you didn't follow the structure confirm. You didn't confirm the structure before you start entering a trade. That's why your SL got hit. If you confirm the structures before you start entering the trade, definitely your SL will be safe. And remember, one clean reversal trade can give you 1 to 4 to 1 to 6 risk reward ratio if you wait patiently. Trading TRSS, you need to wait. You need to learn how to wait. You need to learn how to be patient before you can trade this profitably. It's a very good and easy strategy, but patience is what makes us to hit SL in this strategy. And here is the TRSS flow summary. First of all, you identify your main trend, either bullish or bearish, from your higher time frame, 4 hours time frame, or your daily time frame. You mark out your bullish or bearish trend highs or trend low. You wait for your structure breaks, and you mark out your POI, which is your supply zones or your demand zone. Drop down to lower time frame for confirmations, like I told you earlier, your 15 minutes time frame, your 30 minutes time frame, or your 5 minutes time frame. Then enter on structure shift confirmation. Place your SL behind your structure, your TP on the next swing, on the next trend low or trend high, depending on the entry you're taking. So on the next swing is where your TP target will be. So with all these, I believe you can now trade TRSS profitably. Okay, so this is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share to your friends as well to learn how to use this strategy profitably. Okay, take care. Bye for now.